In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove users from a Slack channel. So if you want to remove any of the members from any channel on Slack, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go under channel here and then identify the channel that you want to remove users. And once you have found it, you should be able also to see it up here. So if you click on it, you'll get this option here to do quite a number of things. And one of them, you'll be able to see members. So if you click on members, you can see all the members that are available or on this channel. Now to remove any of the members here, go ahead and head to these three dots here for more options. And among them is to remove from channel. So if you click on remove from channel, this member will no longer be a member of this channel and they'll be removed. So that's how you can remove a member from channels in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.